Guess what, bro? I don't know if y'all remember, but that doggone sending unit for the Intellitronics, man, how about that doggone adapter broke on me again, man? I said, hey, yo! This your boy Tulu, man, back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? Oh, yeah? Hey, that's what's up, man. Keep growing, keep grinding, keep doing your thing, man. And I hope you get everything that you're looking to gain and just looking to accomplish, man. Keep growing, keep grinding, though. You know what I'm saying? But if everything ain't going right for you right now, just wait. 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, maybe next week. You could definitely be in a better situation, man. So, hey, chin up, keep going, man. Y'all see I'm in kind of a good mood right now, you know what I'm saying? But I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Nah, for real, for real. I appreciate each and every single one of y'all for all y'all support, for y'all boys supporting the content. Well, not just boys, you know what I'm saying, the ladies as well. I appreciate each and every single one of y'all, man. I mean that. That's coming from Tulu, man. I mean that. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, man. Join the fam, man. For real, for real. All right, y'all. So today, as y'all see, man, we about to doggone install the intake back on the car, man. Oh yeah, I gotta clean back up a little bit. So in order to do that though, oh yeah, and then a little update, because I know y'all didn't see me on the last video finish the head, which there's plenty of videos out there. But we got everything on the driver's side head, got the lifters and all that on it, got the cover on it. We also got our header bolts in as well, so, and they're good and torqued down. Mainly what we need to do is clean up everything up here. I mean, it's kind of clean. I just need to get all this stuff out the way. We are gonna take these doggone fuel rails off. My camera, is it blurry, y'all? It was like blurring out just now. But we got to take these fuel rails off. We got something going on with them. And also I gotta also take this bracket off and this pulley. We're gonna get to that. I'll tell y'all about that. Ugh, man. But yeah, man, guess what, bro? I don't know if y'all remember, but that doggone sending unit for the Intellitronics, man, how about that doggone adapter broke on me again, man? Now it was outside the car when we had it up here in the last video on the trampoline. I tightened it up, hand tightened it. We went to go back. Unc was here, me and him talking, and you know what I'm saying, I'm going to tighten down on the thing. Well, this is the sending unit right here. It's not harm, but look at this, bro. Hold on, let me sit y'all down, bro. Let me sit y'all down. Look at this, bro. This doggone adapter broke on me again. Luckily, Unc had the extractor. Man, like, for real, this is the second time, bro. It's the second time. That junk broke good, too. Like, for real, I don't know if it's gonna... Come on, camera. Anyway. Yeah, man, I ain't gonna drag it, though. But y'all see, we got a lot going on. Hey, I'm excited that I'm finally, you know what I'm saying, making some progress, getting back on the car. We definitely been having some good weather. Man, for real. Like, so let's go ahead, get this stuff cleaned up, and get this intake on, man. Let's get it. All right, so well, we got it cleaned up pretty good. Now we just got to put on our intake gaskets, man. What I'm gonna do is sit them down on there. Now I know some people, even Unc said sometimes you might have to cut a little piece off of it or something, but let's get them on there and let's see, y'all. Let's get it. Oh shoot, I got that upside down. Hold on. Okay, there we go. All right, man. I mean, I think they look good, man. I mean, what y'all think? What y'all think? I mean, I think they good. I mean, it don't look like nothing needs to be cut or anything on them. They look pretty good. All right, man. Let's go get this heavy joker and get it set on here, man. Sheesh. Let's get it. Alright, let's check it out. Let's check it out. I'm not sure if it's where it needs to be. It looked like it's right. Let's try to throw a bolt or two in there. Put one on the other side. All right, let's go then, man. I think that's it. I think that's it. It's all the way down. I think we good, man. Hey, let's go ahead and drop these in there. And like that, she is installed, baby. She is installed. We definitely got to make it look pretty under her just because she look kind of clean sitting up under there. We definitely got to, I ain't worried about that though. Got something for that where I've got some marks on it. But y'all see she's seated down in there. Torque down. Hey, starting to look back like it was. Alright, so man, what I was talking about with these doggone fuel rails, man. Now as you see, like they look black, right? They look black, but like in a certain type of light, like when you looking at them, man, like they look almost like brownish. I don't know if y'all can see it. They kind of look like real brownish. Yeah, now you can kind of see it like right there. So they don't look like black. So we're gonna do something about that, and we also gonna get these coil packs and everything cleaned up, man. Like I said, man, hey, we got a lot of stuff going on, as y'all see. I ain't gonna drag these videos out. I ain't gonna make them too long, you know what I'm saying? But I appreciate each and every single one of y'all every time, man. I truly appreciate y'all. Remember, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, and you know what I'm saying, you'll be able to get the drop whenever I drop a video. Make sure y'all like the video as well, and then also they got this hype feature up there for y'all to hype the video up to boost your boy in the algorithm. So hey man, do that for your boy, man. But until next time, y'all already know, baby. Salute, salute, salute. Let's go.